Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to start recording. There's a new screen recording platform that Google provides. All you need to do is go to your machine like this, open a new tab, go to this 9 dots here where you have all the Google products, go to Chrome Web Store and you click. Once you click to Chrome Web Store, go up here to this search bar and say screen recorder, right? And you click enter. Now you find different versions of screen recorders, okay? And then this particular version is what I have installed. It is very useful and very effective, okay? So let's say you wanted to install this or this has not been installed. All you need to do is to click it. When you click it, you find out that I think we should go back to the web store. Here you can click on the logo. When you click on the logo here and then you click add to Chrome, okay, and then you have this small pop-up here. It says add extension, okay. Once you do that, you will find that it is already added on your list of different software. Now what you are going to do here, it's very simple. It says open. You can open here to see internally how it looks. Now they will tell you how it is being used, okay. This is a video showing you how it is being used. But in another option, if you want to see this same software that you have added into your space, all you need to do is to just go back to this option that says or go back to the Chrome Web Store. You click these 3 dots. Don't go to the 9 dots. Click these 3 dots here. You find this option that says my extensions. Click there. You will now see all the apps or all the software that you have installed. I have installed a lot of them here. I'm using them for my different businesses. Here I can remove. You see, you can remove them still, and you can install as we have just done. Now I want to take you through this particular option that I installed and show you how it is used. I think I came here to my bookmarks here and I put it somewhere here where I want to launch it. So if I come here and I launch it, you see that I have it here, okay. Now when you install this specific brand, which I recommend for everyone to install this particular brand here, this awesome screenshot here. Now when you install it, you find out that it will open up naturally in your machine. You will be getting different options. It says step 1 sign in, step 2 pin extension, which we have done, step 3 grant access. I'll just skip that, go to the next. And then step 4 claim bonuses, okay, I'll just skip that, okay. And then it goes to step 5 claim, okay, step 5 step finished. Now here I can just say next. Now once I click next here, I can come here and say okay, I just skip. I've already added to Chrome. I'll just skip. Once I skip, now it says start recording, okay. So recording here is very simple. If I click recording, it says got it, and then I click that option. You see now it tells me if I want to record. These are my different tabs that I just opened. I can select the whole of my windows, this particular window or this particular window, or my entire screen, okay. So it has the same interface just like when you are attending meetings in Zoom, etc., you know. And then here I can say that I want to start start recording this specific cloud, for instance, okay, cloud, and then I click share. Now once I click share, it gives me a moment. Now it is already recording. If you look down here, I can pause. If you look down here, I can stop, okay. And then let's go and start doing something in Claude. Sorry, this is an AI platform which I'm going to be showing you also how it works. So right here you see that I can stop the recording from here, right? So I'm already doing something. You see what I'm doing? So you will see this behavior. What I'm doing here, it is the software is recording and keeping that information, okay. Let's say you want to teach, but currently now I'm using OBS to do this particular video, but you can also use this software to do other videos like I'm showing you, okay. So right here now I can stop the recording, okay. Once I stop the recording, it takes me to another tab automatically, and here now when I play it, you see that everything that I was recording is right here. You see? Okay, I can pause it. So now I can download this into different files. I can bring it to WebBM, I can bring it to MP4, okay? And then also I can edit this video, okay? Now I can put it in folder here, also I can delete it, okay? And I can generate a shareable link for this video. So let's first of all see how we can download this. So if I click my MP4 here, it says convert to MP4 and I click. So once I click convert to MP4, you see that it is leaving this area and getting into the MP4 file to preparing it for download. Now I can download this file, and then once I download this file, it comes up here. Now I can just launch it, and here you have my video. That's the video. Very sweet, very easy. So you can use this to also record your lessons if you are if you are a tutor or a lecturer or someone who teaches online just the way I'm doing, okay? Because this is not content, you should be clear about that. Here also I can come here. When I launch this, I go to this small folder and I click. It brings me right inside into my space here. I can just right click, and then I copy this video, and then I paste it on my desktop, and then there I can edit it and do whatever I want to do as I move forward with this. And then also we can also do shareable links. Here, this is the shareable link. I can click this, copy it, and then I go to another tab now, and I just say, and I paste it there and I open, and then you would see this video still opening up, okay? So this is just how we can do it, okay? So please make sure that you follow this and learn how to get some of these softwares and start enjoying online presence. Stay blessed.